Hello Kenta friends! In this video, we will delve into the features and capabilities of Banner Thumbnail Maker, Pixellab, and Ultimate Thumbnail Maker to help you create stunning thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Banner Thumbnail Maker. Banner Thumbnail Maker is a versatile and user-friendly application designed for creating eye-catching thumbnails for YouTube videos. This app offers a wide range of customizable templates that can be effortlessly tailored to suit the user's individual needs and aesthetic preferences. With Banner Thumbnail Maker, users have the flexibility to add text, images, and other graphic elements to their thumbnails, allowing them to create visually stunning and engaging designs that effectively capture the essence of their video content. Pixellab. Pixellab is a powerful graphic design tool that provides users with a comprehensive array of features for creating captivating visuals, including YouTube thumbnails. In addition to its thumbnail design capabilities, Pixellab can be used to design a variety of graphic assets such as posters, banners, social media graphics, and more. The app offers a multitude of editing tools and effects that enable users to customize text, add overlays, apply filters, and incorporate intricate design elements to enhance the visual appeal of their thumbnails. With Pixellab, users have the flexibility to unleash their creativity. Ultimate Thumbnail Maker. Ultimate Thumbnail Maker is a dedicated application specifically tailored for crafting thumbnails for YouTube videos. This app provides users with a diverse selection of templates and design elements that can be easily customized to create unique and compelling thumbnails. By offering a straightforward process for selecting and editing templates, adjusting text and graphic elements, and optimizing thumbnail dimensions for YouTube's platform requirements, Ultimate Thumbnail Maker streamlines the thumbnail creation process and empowers users to create thumbnails that effectively showcase their video content. Thank you for watching our video on the best YouTube thumbnail maker apps for Android. See you in the next video.